What's up, students? Let's do the billionth barnacle. Find the common difference, fifth and sixth terms of the binomial arithmetic sequence. Oh my goodness. So here's what we're doing, friends. We got to figure out the common difference between this first term, second term, third term, and this fourth term. Then we got to figure out if this pattern were to keep going, this binomial pattern were to keep going, what would be the fifth and sixth one? So let's try to figure out, well, the numbers first. Well, we have a negative 21. And then it jumps to a negative 13, and then it jumps to a negative 5, and then it jumps to a positive 3. So mathematically, I think we're just adding 8. Yeah, that's what's happening mathematically, just with the numbers. The numbers we're adding 8. So down here, my binomial, number times a plus number, I'm going to say plus 8. There's my common difference for the number part. Now, what about the binomial? The variable. Well, if you notice, let me switch colors here. There is no variable here, then all of a sudden it jumps to a 4a, and then it jumps to an 8a, and then a 12a. Oh, that's not too bad. You're just adding a 4a every single time. So my binomial that is being added, my common difference, excuse me, is a 4a plus 8. That's what's being added every single time. You started with negative 21, then you added this, then you added it again, and then you added it again, and then you added it again. That's how you get to the fifth term, is you keep adding the 4a plus 8. So let's go ahead and figure that out. So if you added another, let's go back to blue. Sorry about that. Let's add another 4a plus 8 to the 12a plus 3. So I'm going to stack it here. So we have our fourth term, 12a plus 3, and then if we add another 4a plus 8, we would have a 16a plus 11. Okay, there you go. So our fifth term is 16a plus 11. Type it like this, no spaces. So then if we have a 16a plus 11, we add another 4a plus 8. So we'd have a 20a plus 19. There we go. So our sixth term, excuse me, my lisp got me there, would be a 20a plus 19. Okay, make sure you type it with no spaces. And that's about it. So again, start with the number, start with the easy part. Well, the variable part's pretty easy too. If there is no variable here and then all of a sudden a variable pops up, that's probably going to be the common difference. That part's pretty easy. And then just add it for the fifth term, add it again for the sixth term, and then everybody wins. All right, cool. See you in class, people.